In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add collaborators to your GitHub repository. This is an essential step when you're working with a team on a shared project, as it allows multiple people to access and contribute to the codebase. Whether you're a team leader managing several contributors or a solo developer preparing for future growth, understanding how to manage collaborators efficiently is a vital skill. Let's start by heading over to the GitHub website. You want to make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the main page, look for your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. Clicking on it will open a drop-down menu where you'll select your repositories. This will take you to a list of all the repositories you own or contribute to. Next, locate the repository to which you want to add collaborators. Click on the repository's name to enter its main page. Once there, you need to look for the Settings tab, which is usually located towards the far right of the page navigation at the top. Click on Settings to proceed. After entering the settings, you'll notice a sidebar on the left. Here, you'll find various options to manage your repository. Look for Collaborators and click on it. This is where you'll manage the people who have access to your repository. To add a collaborator, you'll need their GitHub username or email address. Enter the username or email into the provided field, then click the Add button. An invitation will be sent to this individual, granting them access to your repository once they accept it. Collaborators can have various levels of access depending on what permissions you choose to grant them. Once you've sent the invitation, you'll see the pending invite under the list of collaborators along with their status. As soon as they accept, they'll be able to start contributing code to the repository, reviewing pull requests, and more, depending on the access level you have assigned to them. This system allows you to efficiently manage your team by controlling who can view, edit, or manage different aspects of the repository. If at any time you need to remove a collaborator or adjust their permissions, you can easily return to this section to update the settings. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to add collaborators to your GitHub repository. This streamlined process ensures that your projects can scale efficiently while maintaining control over your codebase. Working collaboratively on GitHub can significantly improve productivity and foster creativity among team members, so make the most of these features as you develop your projects. Thank you for tuning in today. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tutorials like this. Happy coding!